we're moving on to animals without backbones, part 2. So first of all, arthropods are invertebrates with a hard outer coating. They all have segmented body with jointed legs. This is a very large group and it can be divided into the smaller groups shown below. So again, vertebrates are animals with backbones and invertebrates are animals without backbones. We're only looking at creatures that do not have backbones. So for example, insects, they have 3 parts to the body and 6 legs. The adults usually have 4 wings and a pair of antennae. So beetle and wasps are an example of these. Spiders and scorpions, so they have 2 parts to the body and 8 legs. Spiders usually spin a web of silk and have poisonous fangs, maybe some of them, not all of them. And scorpions have a sting at the end of their tails. And we've also got crustaceans, so most of them live in water. They usually have a thick, hard coating, and they have many legs and 2 pairs of antennae. So crabs and shrimps are some of these examples. Then we have centipedes and millipedes with lots and lots of legs. They have long bodies made up of many segments. Centipedes have 1 pair of legs on each segment, and millipedes have 2. Again, these are all examples of creatures that actually do not have backbones. Thank you.